Hello everyone, welcome to this guide on maternity cloth shopping. If you are expecting, you might be wondering what clothes are actually needed during pregnancy. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but don't worry. Today, we will go through everything step by step so you know exactly what to buy, what to skip, and how to stay comfortable throughout your pregnancy. So, when should you start buying maternity clothes? Every pregnancy is different. Some women start feeling their regular clothes getting tight as early as the first trimester. Others may not need maternity wear until the second trimester. But a good rule of thumb is to buy maternity clothes when your usual outfits start feeling uncomfortable. Tight waistbands, snug tops, and restrictive jeans are signs that it's time to make the switch. If you are expecting twins, you might need maternity wear even earlier. Now, talk about the essential maternity clothing items. Not everything in your wardrobe needs to be replaced. Instead of buying a whole new closet, focus on a few key pieces that provide comfort and flexibility. First is maternity leggings and stretchy pants. One of the first things you will need is a comfortable pair of maternity leggings or stretchy pants. They grow with your belly and provide great support. Look for soft, breathable fabrics with an elastic waistband that sits comfortably below or over your belly, and these are perfect for daily wear. Next is maternity jeans. A good pair of maternity jeans is a must have. You can choose from under the bump or over the bump styles depending on what feels better for you. Over the bump jeans provide extra support while under the bump styles feel more relaxed. Dark wash jeans can be dressed up or down, making them a versatile choice. Next is loose and stretchy tops. Regular t-shirts and tops might feel too tight around the bust and belly as your pregnancy progresses. Look for maternity tops that are longer in length so they cover your growing belly. Wrap tops, empire waist shorts, and floyd tunics are great options. These tops not only give you extra room but also work well postpartum. Next is comfortable dresses. Dresses are a lifesaver during pregnancy. They don't put pressure on your belly and allow you to move freely. A-line dresses, wrap dresses, and maxi dresses are excellent choices. Look for soft, stretchy materials that adapt to your body's changes. Plus, maternity dresses are great for both casual and formal occasions. Next is maternity bras. Your body goes through many changes during pregnancy, including your bust size. Wearing a well fitted maternity bra is important for support and comfort. Look for bras with soft, stretchy fabric and adjustable straps. Wireless bras or nursing bras can be a good investment as they will also be useful after delivery. Next is comfortable underwear. Your regular underwear might start feeling too tight as your belly grows. So opt for high-waisted stretchy maternity underwear that sits comfortably under your belly. Seamless options prevent irritation and provide extra comfort. Next is outerwear and layering pieces. You don't need to buy an entire new wardrobe for colder months. Instead, choose oversized sweaters, open cardigans, and ponchos that you can layer over your outfits. These give you warmth and flexibility while feeling restrictive. Tip number 3. Now talk about the tips for smart maternity shopping. Buy clothes that grow with you. Instead of buying tight fitting maternity clothes, choose stretchy fabrics that adjust to your changing body. Many maternity pieces are designed to be worn both during and after pregnancy, and stick to neutral colors. Neutral colors like black, grey, navy are easy to mix and match. This way, you don't have to buy too many clothes but can still create different outfits. And invest in basics first. Start with a few essential maternity pieces before adding trendy items. Comfortable leggings, jeans, tops, and dresses will be your go to outfits. And borrow or buy second hand if possible. Maternity clothes are worn only for a few months, so consider borrowing from a friend or buying second hand. There are many websites and stores that sell pre owned maternity wear at a lower price. And choose breathable fabrics. Your body temperature might be high during pregnancy, so it is best to wear breathable materials. Cotton, bamboo, and soft jersey fabrics are great choices to keep you cool and comfortable. Now, talk about what you don't need to buy. Not everything labeled maternity is necessary. Some maternity items are more of a luxury than a necessity, such as maternity coats. Instead of buying a new coat, try layering sweaters or using your existing coats unbuttoned. And too many maternity dresses. A couple of well fitted dresses are enough for different occasions or expensive maternity clothes. Instead of that, look for affordable and versatile options rather than spending too much on temporary outfits. Now let's talk about shoes and accessories for pregnancy. First is comfortable shoes. As your belly grows, your center of gravity shifts, which can affect your balance. So look for shoes with good arch support and a cushioned sole. Avoid high heels as they can make walking uncomfortable. Slip-on shoes are a great option, especially in the later months when bending over gets harder. Next is belly support bands. If you experience back pain, a maternity support band can help. It provides gentle compression and reduces strain on your lower back. Another one is maternity sleepwear. Comfortable sleepwear is important for a good night's rest. Loose fitting cotton nightgowns or pajama sets with a stretchy waistband are ideal choices. Now, let's talk about post pregnancy clothing tips. Many maternity clothes can be used even after delivery. Loose tops, nursing friendly dresses, and stretchy leggings will still be useful postpartum. If you plan to breastfeed, consider getting a few nursing tops or button down shirts for easy access. So, shopping for maternity clothes doesn't have to be stressful. With the right essentials, you can stay comfortable and stylish throughout your pregnancy. Remember to choose clothes that grow with you, invest in basics, and prioritize comfort. So that's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it. So, thank you for watching and take care of yourself and your little one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.